Part-2, my friends. Let's continue some parts here of Train Your Mind. This is a series. You can find it in the playlist, Train Your Mind. We were doing Part-2 using 4 fours to generate some numbers. I have finished Part-2A before, make 7 using 4 fours. I have presented there 19 methods. You can find more if you like. So this video is a continuation of Train Your Mind Part 2A. Still, we have 3 numbers to generate: 9, 70, and 90, using only 4 fours. Just train your mind at your leisure time. Let's start with the 9. You know the things here I mentioned so many times. You can use any mathematical operation. You can use square root. You can use the brackets. You can use the power. You can use factorial. We know now what is a factorial. 4 factorial is 4 times 3 times 2 times 1. 3 factorial is 3 times 2 times 1. 0 factorial is 1, etc. Now, if we start with the number 9, we can think of the 9. See, I'm trying to tell you the methods, the way you think how to get these, making the number using 4 fours. You can start to break the number down and see how can you fit inside some fours. So at 9, I can say 8 plus 1. Yeah, we know that, 8 plus 1, yes. So what is 8 now? 8 is 4 plus 4. So there are 2 4s here, plus 1. See, the 1, I can think of division of 2 numbers that are the same. These numbers can be anything. 2 over 2, 5 over 5, 7 over 7, 10 over 10. It will make 1. But since I need 4s, so I can put 4 plus 4 plus 4 over 4 is equal to 9. See, in this case, I'm taking 4 fours to make the 9. Now, the trick here is, can you think of another method or methods? Can you think of another method or methods? Yes, we can. Okay, I will show you the first 4 methods. See, the method I have shown you here, this one here, is method number 1. Now, I will show you 15 methods for the 9 to make 9 using 4 fours. I will show you 15 methods. This is number 1, I have explained already. Now, number 2 is similar, 4 plus 4 plus 1. This one, instead of writing 4 over 4, I can write square root of 4 over square root of 4, because I need only the number 4. I cannot put here square root of 3 over square root of 3, which is the same, but I need 4 fours. Also, this one here, the one by definition is 0 factorial. So the 0 is 4 minus 4 in the bracket. You have to put the bracket factorial. That's 0 factorial is 1. 4 plus 4 plus 0 factorial is 9. Also, I can put this one as log base 4 of 4. That's also 1 by definition of logarithm, if you know that. So 4 plus 4 plus 4, 4 plus 4 plus log base 4 of 4. Now let's see more. Let's see more methods. This 4 plus 4 here, you see this 4 plus 4, I can make it 2 times 4 or 4 times 2. See, another 4 methods here. We can consider these are different methods, although they are very similar. So 8 here plus 1. 8 is 4 times 2 plus 1, you know, plus 1. So 4 times the 2. 2 I can write as square root of 4, because that's 2, but I need here 4 fours. I cannot leave it like this, 4 times 2 plus 1. So, and the 1 here, 4 plus 4. So we know this idea. That's method number 5. From 5, I can generate method 6, method 7, and method 8 by changing only the way I present the 1. So the 1 here is 4 over 4. In method 6, the 1 is square root of 4 over square root of 4. Or 1 can be 0 factorial, which is 4 minus 4 factorial. Or the 1 can be log base 4 of 4. So now this is another 4 methods. This will be total 8. Let's see more. Can you think of more? Can you pause the video, please think of more? Because this is the way we train our mind by thinking, if we have time to do that. Now, I will give you a little hint, please. Try new methods to make a 9 using 4 fours. See, in the previous 8 methods, we said that 9 is 8 plus 1. Okay, easy. Now, how about 9 is equal 18 over 2? Because see, I have 2 here, so this can be changed to square root of 4. And then I have to play with the 18. Try to think here. I will present 2 methods here using 9 equals 18 over 2. Try to figure it out, please. Then you can check on the next slide. If you are ready, continue the video. All right, let's go. So in the 18, I can write 16 plus 2. You see the idea here? From the 9, I thought of 18 over 2. So the 18 is 16 plus 2. 16 I know 4 times 4. And the 2 is square root of 4. And this 2 down in the denominator, it's square root of 4. So now we can read 4 times 4 plus square root of 4 all divided by square root of 4 is equal to 9. Another way, 16 plus 2, we know that it's 18. 16, I can write 4 squared. You see, 4 squared instead of writing 4 times 4. But I cannot leave the squared. I cannot leave the 2. So I put 4 to the power square root of 4 plus 4 square root of 4 all divided by square root of 4. This is so nice. Method number 10, and we have more nicer method. Let's see, these are 10 methods to form 9 using 4 fours. Can you think of others? Let me give you a little hint. If you like, little hint, yes. Oh, method number 11 now. One creative method to make 9 using 4 fours. Now, I have mentioned 9 is equal 18 over 2. We did that in method number 9 and 10. Now, 18 before, I took it as 16 plus 2. Let me take it as 24 minus 6. I will tell you why I thought of this idea. 24 minus 6 divided by 2. Let's continue, please, and see how can you make from these numbers 4 fours to make the 9. Ready? You can continue here, please. It's very nice to continue. At least I gave you the idea or how to start. Let's continue. See. Now, you know what is 24 here before I show you the answer? You know the 24? We can make the 24 using only 1 4 because 24 is 4 factorial. 4 times 3 times 2 times 1. You see, 26 divided by 24 minus 6. 24 is 4 factorial. You see this one, 4 factorial. minus 6, we have seen before, 4 factorial over 4, because 4 factorial is 4 times 3 times 2 times 1, 24. Divide by 4, that's 6. And this 2 in the denominator, I can write it as square root of 4. So look at the nice here method. 4 factorial minus 4 factorial over 4, all divided by square root of 4, which is 9. Can we find another? Yes. Very nice method. Creative method also. 9, let me think of 9 as 3 squared. That's methods 12, 13, 14, and 15. That means they are similar, these methods. 12, 13, 14, and 15, they are similar. Similar but different. So 9 is equal to 3 squared. Can you continue here? 3 squared. We know 9 is 3 squared. How can I change 3 squared into something that has 4 fours? I know this 2 is easy. I can write square root of 4 in the power. How about the 3? Now you can try it a little and then you can check the answer here. Interesting methods. Now, 3 squared, look here, so nice. 3 squared, 3 I can write it, leave it here. This 2 in the power, square root of 4. I know 3 is 4 minus 1. See the 3 here, 4 minus 1. I leave this 4, and this one 4 over 4. See how this green color, nice color, 4 minus 4 over 4, all to the power square root of 4. That is 9. So this is method number 12. Interesting method, really. Now to make method 13, method 14, method 15, what do? I change this number here, the 1 here. You see this 1, I can write this is equal to 1, square root of 4 over square root of 4. 4 minus 4, 0 factorial is 1. Log base 4 of 4 is 1. So this becomes, you can write each one instead of this 4 over 4. Then you generate methods 13, 14, and 15. So this is a complete 15 methods to make 9 using 4 fours. Now you can invent, you can generate, you can train your mind, you can think to get more and more methods if you like. Let's move to the number 70. 70 also not easy actually. We need to generate the number 70, 70, using 4 fours. Let's break down the number 70. Well, somebody might say, why 96 minus 26 is 70? I will show you why. You can try. See, to get these methods, you have to try on a piece of paper so many times, so many numbers, so many trials, until you get something close. I will tell you why I thought of the 96. Just right away, I will tell you. See, the 96, I can start with the number 24. You see 24? 4 factorial, that's very nice number that has 4. Because 4 times 3 times 2 times 1 is 24. 4 factorial. So any number multiple like 2 times 4 factorial, 3 times 4 factorial, 4 times 4 factorial, I can use that. That's why I thought of the number 96. See, the key for number 96 is 4 factorial. 4 times 24. You see that? So there are 2 4s here. Minus 26. Minus 26. 26 is 24 plus 2. 24, I can write also 4 factorial. You see this minus, I have to change all the signs because in math we distribute the signs. So minus 4 factorial minus square root of 4. Just look at this, please, and read it again. 4 times 4 factorial minus 4 factorial minus square root of 4. That's 70 using 4 fours. Let's see the 90. Also, you see the 90 now, you know the story. 90 is very close to 96. So I can get the idea of 96. Now, you know why we have to use something close to 96? Because 96 is 4 times 4 factorial, which is 4 times 24, minus the 6. Then we have to play with this 6 here. So 96 minus 6 is 90. Let's play with these numbers, 96 minus 6, until we get 4 fours. Can you try it, please? Okay. This one. 2 methods, method 1 and method 2, for using 90. Let's see. 96 minus 6. In both methods, I will start this one here like this, 96 minus 6. 96 always 4 times 4 factorial. See the 6, I can break it down into 4 plus 2. Since we have a minus, so it will be minus 4 minus 2. That's minus 6. See, be careful here, you have to put the minus. Minus 4 minus 2 is equal minus 6. So again, let's see. 4, let's read the blue answer here. 4 times 4 factorial, that's 96. Minus 4 minus square root of 4, that's 90. That's the blue answer, number 1. Now, 96 minus 9, I can use also the 6. You know, the 6 is can become 24 divided by 4. So it will be 4 times 4 factorial minus 4 factorial divided by 4. That's only 90. Different answers with the same number 90. This is method number 2. Now, this part here, train your mind, part 2B, we have finished. Nice practice question, please, for part 3. Now, part 3 will be later. Try to make the numbers 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 80, and 100. Try to make these numbers using only 3 fours. All these answers will be in Train Your Mind, part 3. Thank you for watching. I hope I can see you in another video with another topic. Thank you very much.